Hello guys. Welcome to Pharr Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Motel 6-Pharr, TX. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. Featuring an outdoor swimming pool and free Wi-Fi, this motel is a 5 minutes drive from Pharr International Convention Center. A cable TV is included in each room at the Motel 6-Pharr. There are also a desk and microwave. Free parking is available for guests' convenience. Laundry facilities are also available for guests to use. Pharr Motel 6 is 6 miles from the University of Texas Pan American. Edinburg Regional Medical Center is a 10 minutes drive away. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.